Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin bounced back. It dropped off to 95,000 yesterday. A lot of panic in the markets, and then altcoins bounce back. In a bull run, when there's still strong volume, that's quite good time to actually be buying. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Bitcoin right now hit 98,400. It came to a low of 95,000 last night. You can see double bottom on 95,000. Look for those double bottoms and then bounce back. But that was on a Sunday night. So that means V-shaped recovery. That means when Monday opens and the ETFs start buying, most likely we could get a big push out of Bitcoin to the 100K. People are discussing in the guru chat when the deposit lands. People discussing, you can talk to them, join them, Telegram, the link is in the description, jamescryptoguru.com, 3.49 trillion market cap, 638,000 views, Bitcoin price.live. You get a 60K bonus with Bybit if you sign up to Bybit using this QR code. It's my favorite exchange. The link is down below as well. Lowest fees, best liquidity. We're in extreme greed 80. We were at 93 on Friday with the ETFs. It pulled back a little bit. Dominance is around 60%, Bitcoin dominance, but it is coming down. When it went from 60% to 59%, the altcoins pumped 10%. So imagine what happens when Bitcoin dominance starts to slow down and the money moves to alts. It's going to be crazy. Bitcoin funding fee positive, 97,500, getting a little bit of a pullback the last 30 minutes from 98,400 to 97,400. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market. My account 921. Last night it came down to 808. So the last week from 785 to 921. So up about 140 this week, which is amazing. And in the last month from 700 to 921, 701 to 921. So 220 this month, which is beautiful. Congratulations anyone who's been following my videos or following this account from 150K. And if you showed in the last video, the 2 videos ago, I showed that I withdrew almost $100,000 this month. So actually new all-time high for the account, over $1 million, which is amazing. Bitcoin bouncing back. I've still got my trades open. Bitcoin trade, this went negative last night, but now back 3,900 positive. Ethereum 15,900, World 5,900 positive trades. Bitcoin funding fee is quite high, so the fees to keep the trade open is quite high, $814. The funding fee quite positive. 16K, 6K discount, 922, and my spot positions. 370 cash, MCRT, Uni, World pumping, Ton down a little bit. I'm going to add some more into Ton. Let's see how far it pulled back last night. Ton came down to a low of $5.70. My buys were at $5.40. Looks like a little bull flag. We'll jump into that as well. And Doge, I bought 33,000 when you guys told me. Now it's 35,000. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin. The week already now finished. On Bitcoin, the week has now finished. Go MCRT. I'm holding all these tokens, seed invested in a lot of them and own a lot of them. You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. Bitcoin 97,800 getting a bounce back. The weekly candle now finishes in 15 minutes, everyone. And it looks like a very bullish green candle. 3 big green candles in 3 weeks in a row, from 66K to 98 to almost 99K. 3 big candles consistently green in a row. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy back in February 2023, still a blue buy now. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy 3 weeks ago, still a blue buy now. But the weekly candle finishes in 14 minutes. On the daily, stochastic still heading up. Squeeze mob is starting to go gray, which is quite interesting. The last time we had a little bit of a gray pullback on the squeeze mob, Bitcoin did correct from 74 back to 66. So it is going a little bit gray, but I do believe when this was just on the weekend and there was some war announcement escalation with Israel and Ukraine, and the price still held up. Bull flag on the 4-hourly, you can see here. I try to set up most of my trades on the 4-hourly because bull flag taking it to 104. 1 hour, we had a strong pullback yesterday, 95. That's, I would say, is a support. I would set a trade there. You can see double bottom at 95,800. So that's the strong support now. So I would open there and take it to the remaining 104 and 109. Risk toward 25 times, opening at 95,891. Stop loss 95,354. Take profit 909. Risk toward is 25 times, risking 537 to make 13,000. 10x leverage would be 130,000. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And again, I'm currently still in my trades and still in the Bitcoin trade leverage longs. Let's go into TON. I want to see if I can add position to TON. Then I want to do Ethereum as well. Ethereum. I'll do Ethereum first, 3.5. On the weekly, you can see the biggest pattern playing out on Ethereum. It's massive symmetrical triangle, builds pressure, breaks out. The target of this symmetrical triangle is 7,500. And I was telling everyone that this yellow trend line is the main trend line that goes back to 2022. And you can see we got a strong bounce off there. We broke out of this smaller symmetrical descending triangle that played out inside the bigger one. That builds pressure broke out as I predicted. Then we go closer into the 4 hour. We had a bullish pennant that broke out. And now when we zoom in even more closer, we can see that we've got a double bottom at 3,274. It almost activated my trade last night. If you haven't taken a trade, I would try to take it from that same position. 3,274, stop loss 3,248, risk reward, and then take profit 7,500. Risk reward is 127 times, risking $33 per Ethereum to make 4,300. With 10x leverage, it'll be 43,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. Let's see what's forming here. There is a pattern starting to form. Rising broadening wedge on Ethereum. Not really. Just looks like a channel. And it lines up with that 3,555 target, which is beautiful. Let's go into TON. Let's see if I can add more to TON. $6.10. TON broke out. Descending triangle, then pumped out. The target of this TON breakout builds pressure is $8.20 and $8.30, and we came to last night $6.50 and then pulled back to $6.20, $5.80, and then it bounced. If trying to take a long, I would do it from this support here at $5.60. $5.60, tight stop loss $5.40, take profit at $8.80. Risk toward would be 11 times. That's the trade I would take on TON. And you can join us in the Telegram. The links are down below underneath the video. If you go down below, you can see the links, the description under the video. Bybit 60k bonus, best exchange for trading. Weex is good for USA, UK, etc. Binance and BingX. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the Crypto Master Course. Make sure you take all the courses, the Crypto Master Course, Stock Guru Master Course, you understand. And also join us in the Telegram. Inside the Telegram right now, we have 250 of you online. People trading. See the moderators, Jasper working amazing. Thank you so much, Jasper, for keeping the community safe. Everyone help him, learn from him. Lots of trades going on. 250 of you online trading and talking together. Yes, James buys everything on time, and so it's all run of missed benefits. It's better to accept it. And you can just see people discussing and talking and trading together. You can join them underneath. And I said this, I posted a message this morning where I posted this about max 20x leverage after pro trader of many years and taken all the courses and successful, and read the book Technical Analysis for the Financial Markets on breakout trades. Until then, 3x I would use max, otherwise gambling. If you haven't taken the courses, be very careful using. Why I posted this? Because I saw someone's leverage here. He was like profitable on his trades, but it was 75 times leverage, means he could easily be liquidated. It was somewhere in the chat there. You can go down below and join him in the conversation. I'll leave it at that. That's my updates in the market. Bitcoin, Ethereum, TON. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. And you can see Bitcoin right now getting a little bit switching charts. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Join us in the Telegram in the discussion. At nighttime, there's like 800 people online right now sharing and trading together. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.